welcome to our factory. Today, I'll show you exactly how synthetic leopard pattern leather is made, step by step. Don't forget to subscribe for more behind-the-scenes videos like this.
This mixture is carefully balanced for durability and flexibility.
Viscosity levels are critical. We need to adjust the pigment feed.
Ramping up the temperature offset. Parameters are returning to nominal.
All systems are go. We're ready for the solution. Every batch is refined and tested for pattern accuracy. Every product is checked before leaving the facility.
And that's how synthetic leopard pattern leather is made, from start to finish.
Subscribe for more AI factory tours and process documentaries.